Hey, what's going on everyone? Moose here, and today we've got a very special gun that I've pulled out of the cabinet that many of you have seen before, and we're about to breathe some new life into it, and we're going to talk about that coming up next. Alright guys, so here we have my Remington 700 243. This is in a S2 Delta RSC chassis. Now many of you may or may not remember the videos that I've done on the S2 Delta chassis, but there's something really special about this chassis. It's actually made from magnesium. Very cool, very light, and I can tell you right now that the chassis, including the buttstock and everything else you see, minus the action, weighs just over 2 pounds. This gun is incredibly light. With the sling attachments on it, you could literally huff this rifle anywhere. It's already amazingly light. However, I've got a big surprise coming up. This gun is very special to me. It's the gun that I use for coyote. It's the gun that I shoot deer with. My son shot it. My wife wants to use it for deer hunting as well. And it's actually been, it's been featured in quite a few videos. But, important part, we've teamed up with Shaw Barrels, Shaw Custom Barrels, and they have agreed to rebarrel this gun for us. Now they have something super cool about some of their barrels. If you've never heard of Shaw Barrels, go check them out. Let your fingers do the clicking on the, the stuff, and go take a look at what they have to offer. I am going to be sending this to Shaw. They are going to fit the barrel to the action and then send it back to me. Now that might not seem very impressive. Lots of companies do that. But here's where it gets exciting for us. We are actually going to be changing calibers on this as well. It's currently a 243. So if this video gets 500 likes and we get 200 comments, I am going to be doing a giveaway for some pretty special stuff. So anybody who comments can be entered. Actually, anybody who comments is going to be entered. Once we hit that magic number of comments, then I'm going to be giving away something really big. And we're not talking about a $20 t-shirt. We're talking about something super big. So share this, get your friends involved, get them to comment. Like I said, as soon as we hit 200 and we get 500 likes, I'm going to be giving away a very big prize, and it's probably going to require an FFL. So think about that and we'll see what happens. But in the meantime, I also want to hear, what caliber do you guys think I'm switching this to? Keep in mind, this is a Remington 700 short action, so you can rule out a few. But let me hear it down in the comments down below. Good luck to all of you. Once this hits 200 comments and 500 likes, we're going to be talking about what's coming up for that prize pool. So, till next time, be good to each other. God bless, and stay shooting straight. See ya.